Hello everybody, this is Oliver the Cat, and welcome to Oliver's Learning Curve.
Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new season of Oliver the Cat, The Learning Curve. In the last episode of The Learning Curve, we used 10 different words and we put them into 10 different sentences. We want to continue to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn new and fresh words. Alright, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is are. Let's use are in a sentence. We are going to play. Our next word is for. Let's use for in a sentence. Time for lunch. Our next word is you. Let's use you in a sentence. I see you. Our next word is this. Let's use this in a sentence. This book seems easy to me. Our next word is here. Let's use here in a sentence. She left here right away. Our next word is she. Let's use she in a sentence. She is going to the park. Our next word is run. Let's use run in a sentence. I can run. Our next word is off. Let's use off in a sentence. Get off of me. Our next word is so. Let's use so in a sentence. The balloons are so pretty. Our last word is want. Let's use want in a sentence. I want ice cream. All right, my little kitties. Let's review all of the words that we have learned so far. Are, for, you, this, here, she, run, off, so, want.
I hope you enjoyed the learning curve. I am Oliver the Cat saying, meow, my little kitties.